Hi everybody, this is the intro video for the second phase. It will be a very short one. I will try to describe how the work will be organized, what is the subject of the phase 2, and how we will work and finalize the work which is assigned to you. So, as regards the work organization and the workflow of the work, it's the same as it was in the phase 1. So, the basic unit of the work is the block, the one grid, and again, the subject of the solutions are particular islets. So, once the islet is assigned to you, it will appear here on the window block, and you will have the list of your islets on the control tab. So basically you need to go islet by islet and capture or modify the features which are subject of the phase 2. So now we are coming, what is actually the subject of the phase 2? So during the phase 2, we will focus only on what is inside the islet. So basically we will capture the things, basically non-eligible features, which are inside the islet. Comparing with the phase 3, during the phase 3 we are solving what is in the 20-meter buffer around the islets. But phase 2 is just about what is inside the islet. You might see in the data when you will open the application that there is many features prepared already, especially the buildings, roads, and the vegetation in some layers. But these are the data are prepared also for the phase 3. So you might see that the buildings, for example, which are in the 20-meter buffer are included in the data. But again, I repeat, please focus only what is inside the islet, because this is the subject of the phase 2. And there are basically three main areas which will be captured or modified during the phase 2. It's a so-called development area, in particular buildings, trucks, and manned surfaces. Then there is a vegetation and water bodies. Again, we are going to capture or modify the features which are located inside the islets. So, okay, back again to the work organization and how the islets are processed. The logic is the same as I mentioned. You will have a grid, you will have your islets here assigned to be processed, and you need to check whether there are features to be captured during phase 2. So for example, this islet is completely empty, so can be marked as a done. Within this islet you will capture the vegetation here. I will prepare the particular videos for the particular classes, the separate video for development area, separate video for the vegetation, and separate video for the water bodies. And of course we will provide to you also some documents with example that you have something in the hands. So now the last thing, it's about how to finish the islet. So basically you need to highlight the islet, then use the attributes, and you will click inside the islet and you will set the attributes to true. Let's confirm that you simply pass through and you check it. There is under preparation also the keyboard shortcut. It should be Ctrl and F. I repeat, Ctrl and F. So it should be like automate that the layer will be highlighted and you will just click on the islet, which will mean that this islet was finished. At the same time, it will disappear from the control tab, and you basically follow the same logic as during the phase 1. once the all iLOT are processed, so you capture all the features, the non-eligible features, within the iLOT, so inside the iLOT only, you can then finish the block. Okay, that's the intro information, and I will continue with the development areas.